Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from hookdloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, click the bell icon. By the way, don't forget to like, share and comment. I made this beautiful necklace using air dry clay, and today I will show you how to make the clay Durga face only. However, the remaining clay art and the remaining part of the necklace will be shown in the next video. You can also see how to make the clay mold for the Durga face in my previous video, so check it out. Anyways, let's start. For making the face, we will use the Fevicryl molded. In the package, we get the hardener and the resin base. So we will take equal quantity of the hardener and the resin base. And then we will mix them together using little bit of powder. Just roll them using your hands and fold them to mix it properly. At present the mixture is not uniform and it is bicolored. You will mix it until the mixture is uniform and completely white. So our mold is now ready. We will make a sphere out of it and spread a plastic sheet, and on top of it we will place the spherical shaped clay dough, and with our fingers we will give it a face-like shape. Now we will take a clay tool and divide the face in two halves. We will also separate the forehead portion from the rest of the face. We will mark the position where we will be placing the eyes as well as the lips. And now we will be adding parts of clay to form the chin portion, the portion for the nose area. We are just adding the clay for the lifted up portion of the face. The portion below the eyes is also lifted up, so we will place little bit of clay in that area too. The portion on either side of the lips is also lifted, so we will place little portion of clay on either side of the lips. We will place the eyes also. So we are just marking the position of the face and just adding the lifted up portions so that it will be easier for us to give the proper shape of the face later on. After that we will let it dry for some time, but before that let's add little bit of hair. When you are satisfied with the basic shape of the face, just let it dry for 3 hours. In 3 hours it will harden up completely, and now it's ready. So now we will add freshly prepared clay dough and just press it on top of the face surface in this manner. Just flatten it so that a thin layer of clay covers up the face entirely. We will use little bit of water to smoothen up the surface. So in this step we are just covering up our entire face with thin layer of clay. So we will quickly cover up our face and we will smoothen the surface simultaneously using little bit of water. Well, don't use too much of water as the surface will be muddy in that case. By the way, I hope you are understanding the lifted up portion of the face we did in the first step is adding a beautiful shape to the face, and it's easier also. Now we will be adding the nose. In this case we will be shaping our nose properly. So you can use clay tools or your fingers to shape the nose. Okay, so just give it a proper shape with your fingers in this manner, and when you are satisfied, just smoothen the surface simultaneously. And now we will be placing the lips. I will not be adding any particular shape to the lips. I am just adding 2 small portions of clay and just placing that on the face like this. The actual shape of the lips will be given during the painting. Now the shaping is based on your satisfaction. Once you're satisfied with the face, just leave it. We are adding the eyes, and with the clay tool we will be doing the outline of the eyes. Okay. Flatten it with your fingers and give it a proper shape using the clay tool in this manner. The Durga face has got a stretched eyes, so do it likewise. Okay. See how beautiful the face is looking right now. And the first step, that is the adding the lifted up portion of the face, really made the entire process easier. So I will suggest you to do that directly. Okay, so we are adding the third eye. You can make a doll face in the same manner. Okay. We will be adding the eyebrows now. And do the minor detailings of the face. It's more or less ready. We will be adding the hair portion also. Because the face is always incomplete without the hair, isn't it? So it's done more or less. We will smoothen the sides of the face. We will add few more layers of the hair. So our face is now ready. We will just let it dry for at least 3 hours so that it hardens up. And isn't it looking beautiful? I added few more layers of hair too. Okay. So now it's dried up completely and hardened too. We will start painting our face. Painting the entire face white, as the white color will act as a primer for the painting we will be doing later on. So we will quickly paint our entire face white and let it dry for some time. When it's dried up, we will start painting the face. Okay, so let's paint it, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. So with this, my today's tutorial ends. The Durga goddess face is completely ready now. In my previous video, I showed you how to make a clay mold from this particular face I made today. This is the mold I made from this face, and this is the Durga face I made from the mold. Okay. In my next video, I will show the entire tutorial, that is remaining part other than the face, for this necklace. So stay tuned. I hope you will like this tutorial, and I hope you liked this tutorial. Okay. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. Also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. Okay. And I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com. I will be adding all my crafting blogs in my website. So stay tuned and stay connected. Okay. And please subscribe to my channel as it is filled with all kinds of crafts, starting from crochet, clay, fabric and anything. So you will just love it here. So thank you. Have a great day.